Why Colombia is your next adventure? What if you could explore one of the most biodiverse places on the planet while cruising through history and culture? Let us show you why Colombia is unlike anywhere else. Imagine colorful birds in flight, dense rainforests, the Magdalena River, and the vibrant streets of Cartagena. Colombia is truly one of a kind, a land of unmatched natural beauty and cultural vibrancy. As you sail the Magdalena River, you'll be surrounded by one of the richest ecosystems on Earth. Spot rare and vibrant bird species, such as the dazzling Sinegua hummingbird, in their natural habitat. But nature is only the beginning. Colombia pulses with the rhythms of life, from its iconic cumbia music to its enthralling pirate tales in Cartagena. You'll walk the streets where history was written, from Palenque, the first free town in the Americas, to colonial-era wonders that will transport you back in time. With AmaWaterways, you'll experience the essence of Colombia, its people, its rhythm, and its soul, all from the comfort of your luxurious river cruise. Don't just explore, immerse yourself. Book your AmaWaterways adventure today and sail into the heart of Colombia. Would you like more information? Contact Chad and Jennifer at 530-521-6645 or shoot them an email at chad@gwtravelandcruise.com.